Now we have to going to learn topic 12 commerce mathematics topic integration method of change of variable or method of substitution. In this method we reduce the given function to standard form by changing variable x to t using some suitable substitutions. X is equal to phi of t, and theorem: if x is equal to phi of t is a differentiable function of t, then integration f of x dx is equal to integration f of phi of t into phi dash t dt. Then corollary: first, integration f of x raised to n into f dash x dx is equal to f of x brackets to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus. Second corollary: integration f dash x upon f of x is equal to log of f of x. Third corollary: integration f dash x upon under root f of x dx is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Fourth corollary: integration f dash x upon nth root of f of x is equal to n into nth root of under root nth root of f of x bracket is to n minus 1 upon n minus 1 plus 5.2. Integration evaluate integration x under root 1 plus x square into dx. ठीक है, 1 plus x square रूट मध्ये ब्रॅकेट मध्ये किंवा काय नंबर असेल त्याच्याऐवजी काय ठेवायचं, पुट t इक्वल पुट 1 plus x square is equal to 2x dx is equal to dt. x dx is equal to dt upon 2. Therefore, given integral I is equal to integration x dx. x dx साठी काय ठेवायचं आपण, dt upon 2. रूट मधल्यासाठी t अंडर रूट t. I is equal to 1 upon 2 integration t raised to 1 by 2 dt. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 2 t raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. 2 upon 2 can cancel plus c. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 3 t raised to 3 by 2. Value of t is 1 plus x square raised to 3 by 2 plus with the final. Put t is equal to 1 plus x e raised to x plus e raised to minus x bracket square into e raised to x minus e raised to minus x into dx. Put e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to t. E raised to x minus e raised to minus x e raised to minus derivative minus e raised to minus x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, I is equal to e raised to x minus e raised to minus x साठी काय ठेवायचं आपण dt ठेवायचं. dt जे आहे dt आणि e raised to x plus e raised to minus x साठी काय ठेवायचं t इंटिग्रेशन t square into dt. I is equal to t cube upon 3 plus value of t put t is equal to t ची व्हॅल्यू काय घेतली आपण e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Therefore, I is equal to integration I is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to minus x bracket. It's the final answer. Integration 1 plus x x plus e raised to minus x dx. Therefore, I is equal to integration 1 plus x plus 1 upon x. Next example, evaluate integration x plus 1 upon x plus e raised to minus x dx. Therefore, I is equal to given integral is equal to integration x plus 1 plus x upon x plus 1 upon e raised to x. E raised to minus right as a 1 upon e raised to x into dx. Therefore, I is equal to integration. Take cross multiplication. E raised to x into bracket 1 plus x upon x e raised to x plus 1 into dx. Put x e raised to x plus 1 is equal to t. X into e raised to x plus e raised to x into derivative of x is 1 plus 0 into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, e raised to x into bracket 1 plus x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, I is equal to integration dt upon t. I is equal to log t. Put value of t. Put t is equal to x into e raised to x plus 1. Therefore, I is equal to log mod x e raised to x plus 1 plus integration. Next example, evaluate integration dx upon root x plus x. Let I is equal to integration dx upon, take root x common, root x into bracket 1 plus root x. Put 1 plus root x is equal to t. 1 upon 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Dx upon root x is equal to dt upon. Therefore, I is equal to integration dt upon 2 upon t. Take 1 by 2 common. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 2 integration dt upon t. I is equal to 1 by 2 log t plus put value of t is equal to 1 plus root x. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus root x plus evaluate integration dx upon x into bracket x raised to 6 plus 1. Therefore, I is equal to integration dx upon x raised to 5 upon x raised to 6 into x raised to 6 plus 1 into dx. So, इथं x raised to 5 upon x raised to 6 means 1 upon x. 1 upon x right is x raised to 5 upon x raised to 6. Then put x raised to 6 is equal to t. Therefore, 6x raised to 5 dx is equal to dt. X raised to 5 dx is equal to dt upon 6. Therefore, I is equal to integration dt upon 6 t plus 1. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 6 integration dt upon t into t plus 1. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 6 integration t plus 1 minus t upon t into bracket t plus 1 into dt. तर नोमरेटर मध्ये ऍडजस्टमेंट असं करायचं. नोमरेटर मध्ये काही नाही म्हणजे काय असतो 1 ची ऍडजस्टमेंट कसं लिहायची t plus 1 minus t minus t कॅन्सल होईल 1 upon t into bracket t plus 1 dt. right? Therefore, I is equal to 1 upon 6. तो कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर क्या है t into bracket t plus 1. Take denominator separate t plus 1 upon t into bracket t plus 1 minus t upon t into bracket t plus 1 into dt. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 6 integration t plus 1 upon t plus 1 cancel 1 upon t minus t upon 2 cancel 1 upon t plus 1 into dt. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 6 log t minus log mod t plus 1 plus I is equal to 1 by 6 log t upon t plus 1 plus put value of t x raised to 6. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 6 log mod x raised to 6 upon x raised to 6 plus 1 plus 6, which is the final answer. Now the next example, evaluate integration 2x plus 6 upon under root x square plus 6x plus 3 into dx. Put let I is equal put x square plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 6 into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, I is equal to integration dt upon under root. Therefore, I is equal to integration t raised to minus 1 by dt. I is equal to and t raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1. T raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus. Therefore, I is equal to 2 into t raised to 1 by 2 plus. Therefore, I is equal to 2 root x root 3, 2 root t plus value of t is put t is equal to x square plus 6x plus 3. Therefore, I is equal to 2 under root x square plus 6x plus 3 plus integral of the form integration x a into e raised to x plus b c into e raised to x plus d into dx, where ABCD belongs to R. R is a real number set. Here formula is numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator.